Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P062F pertains to the Keep Alive Memory (KAM) error within the Powertrain Control Module (PCM) of the Honda CRV models from the years 2011 to 2016. The PCM is crucial as it manages electronic control functions in the vehicle, integrating data from various sensors and initiating the appropriate responses to optimize engine performance and efficiency. The KAM is a memory function within the PCM, responsible for storing significant data, such as the vehicle's operating conditions, which aids in making informed adjustments during operation. If there is a malfunction or error within this module, it can lead to compromised vehicle performance. It's essential to troubleshoot this issue to restore proper function, ensuring that the vehicle operates smoothly and efficiently. Accurately diagnosing DTCs is crucial, as it paves the way for effective repairs to maintain the vehicle's reliability. The error code P062F indicates an issue with the Keep Alive memory within the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The PCM is essentially the vehicle's brain, processing information from various sensors to manage different aspects of engine performance. It stores vital data about the vehicle's functioning, particularly in conditions such as fluctuations in temperature and ignition. The KAM is critical as it retains information even when the engine is turned off, which helps the vehicle adapt to changing conditions efficiently. The PCM is usually located under the dashboard, making it accessible for diagnostics and repair. Understanding the functionality of these components is key to identifying the source of the error and implementing the appropriate fixes. When diagnosing DTC P062F, several potential causes should be considered. One common cause is outdated software within the PCM, which could prevent it from functioning correctly and retaining necessary data. Reprogramming or updating the PCM software may resolve the error. Additionally, a faulty PCM could also trigger this error code. If the module has experienced internal failure, it will not be able to maintain the KAM as intended. Furthermore, issues with electrical connections, such as corroded or damaged wires, can cause an interrupted signal to the PCM, leading to communication errors and the KAM malfunction. Each of these causes must be thoroughly investigated during the troubleshooting process. DTC P062F may present with several symptoms which can significantly affect vehicle performance. A common symptom is poor engine performance, which could manifest as stalling, misfiring, or erratic idling. When the PCM encounters an error, it may also illuminate the check engine light, alerting the driver to a potential issue requiring attention. Furthermore, drivers may experience intermittent operational issues where the vehicle behaves unpredictably, making it essential to address the underlying cause. Addressing these symptoms promptly can prevent further mechanical complications and ensure the vehicle maintains optimal performance. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P062F involves turning the ignition switch to the on position, commonly referred to as position 2. This action powers up the vehicle's electronics, including the dashboard displays and the Powertrain Control Module. Next, the technician should clear the existing DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, which is an essential tool for diagnosing and reporting issues within Honda vehicles. Clearing the DTC helps ensure that any previous data do not interfere with new diagnostic readings. After clearing, it is important to check for any pending DTCs with the HDS to determine if the P062F code reappears. This initial verification is fundamental, as it can show whether the problem is ongoing or if it was a one-time incident. In troubleshooting step 2, the technician needs to determine if DTC P062F is indicated again after the previous steps. If the code reappears, it confirms that the failure is duplicated. and further investigation is necessary. The next course of action is to update the PCM if it does not have the latest software. This is crucial because software updates can rectify known bugs that impact the module's operations. Alternatively, a known good PCM can be substituted to see if it resolves the KAM error. Moving forward with repair verification is essential to confirm whether the implemented repair successfully resolved the DTC. For the third troubleshooting step, it is critical to check for any confirmed DTCs once again with the HDS. This ensures that the technician has an updated view of the vehicle's status after the procedures followed in steps 1 and 2. If the PCM was updated or substituted, the technician should repeat the process of verifying DTCs. If the newly updated or substituted PCM resolves the issue, the original PCM should then be replaced for reliability. If the DTC does not come back, it indicates that troubleshooting is complete and the vehicle should return to normal operation. Proper documentation of all actions taken during troubleshooting is vital for future reference. Final repair verification is a critical step in confirming that the issues associated with DTC P062F have been effectively resolved. Once repairs are made, the technician should once again check for any confirmed DTCs using the HDS. It's essential to assess the vehicle's overall functionality to ensure it operates as intended without the recurring error. Monitoring the system's post-repair can help affirm that the KAM is now functioning correctly within the PCM. Documenting the findings during this verification step is key to maintaining a thorough service history. Confirming the completion of the process gives both the technician and owner confidence in the reliability of the vehicle. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in ensuring the longevity and proper functioning of the Powertrain Control Module and the entire vehicle system. Regular software updates are important as they can address known issues and improve the overall performance of the PCM. Technicians should also routinely inspect electrical connections, ensuring there are no frayed wires or corrosion that could hinder communication between the PCM and other vehicle components. Additionally, conducting routine system checks can help identify potential problems early, preventing costly repairs in the future. By implementing these preventive measures, vehicle owners can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering DTC P062F or similar issues down the line. In conclusion, understanding the function of the Keep Alive Memory, KAM, within the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, is essential for diagnosing and rectifying DTC P062F. A systematic approach using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, allows for effective identification and resolution of issues. Regularly updating the PCM software and performing inspections ensures that potential problems are addressed before they escalate. The combined knowledge from this troubleshooting guide empowers vehicle technicians and owners alike to maintain their Honda CRVs better. Preventive maintenance not only fosters long-term vehicle reliability, but also enhances performance, leading to an improved driving experience overall. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.